Okay, what number, Nicole, are we on?
10.
Nicole, Sita, what number are we on?
10.
10. Papa, not you're using your phone.
Nicolita.
Alright, number 10. So here's a strategy for number 10, right? Strategy, please. The strategy is called delete relation. Delete, you could say and delete and use relation. That's what we're going to use on the calculator, the relation. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a minute. It's the relation. The strategy is the relation on the calculator. Alright, so here's what you need to do. I've got these two. You can graph them, you can plot them, but I'm going to show you a strategy. When it gives you equations like this and it wants to see the graph, here's what you do. You can type it in your calculator to see what the graph looks like. So one more time, Jose. If it gives you the equations, I'm going to show you how to put them in the calculator to match the graph. Alright? So, you're going to go to New Document, please. New Document. Do you want to save? No, thank you. So one more time. New Document. Do you want to save? No. Add graphs. Graphs are number 2. One more time. Add graphs. They're number 2.
Espérame.
Well, if you weren't doing something on your lap. Alright, add 2 graphs. Alright, so when you get there, when you get to the graphs, it already has the equal sign. What we're going to do is we're going to delete that. So let me show you how to do it because before the bell rings. So you're going to press delete. It's underneath menu and you're going to click on relation. Click on relation and then type this in. Type that in. 2x plus y equals -4. Where am I getting this from? It tells me right there in the problem. Okay?
Enter, miss.
Press enter. You're going to get the first line. Now, to get the other line, press tab. Press tab to get the other one. Alright? Type that in. -3. Press tab. And then you're going to type in the other one. There's 2 of them. Look, there's 2 of them. What? Y. Oh, okay, I get what you're saying. Equals 2x plus 12. When you have them both in there, you can see the graph, and then you'll be able to choose the one that is like it. Okay, the one's just like it. Okay?
Okay.
So one more time.
Bye-bye.
Alright, so that's how you would do that one. Let me see, is there another one just like it? There's this one. Alright, so this one's a little bit different. So let's say that we are not the best at solving. So they're going to ask you for this one, and they're going to see which one is just like it. So you're going to go to New Document, Add Graphs, no saving, no saving. I'm not ordering for lunch today. Alright, go to Graphs. Same thing we did before. Press delete and then select relation. Press delete and select relation. So when you do that, you're going to type this into this calculator. So it's going to be 3x minus 4y equals 6. So I'm just typing this into the relation. It's going to give me this graph. So if it's equivalent, if it's the same equation, right, just solved, it should give me the same graph. So I'm going to type in this one. To type in another equation, I press tab. Type in another equation, I press tab, I type this in. Y equals, there's equals, negative. If you want to put the fraction just how it is, you press control and then delete. 6 over 7. Slide over, put your X. See, those are not the same one. So you can see that there's this one. If they're the same one, you'll see what happens. So press tab, go back up here. Let's delete this one and try the next one. So instead of putting 6 over 7, I'm going to press 3 over 4, and then the x. Okay, so it's this way it's negative, so it's still not the same thing. Press tab. So I'm going to type in y equals, the y equals is already there, 4 over 3, then x plus 2. Still not the same one. Let's try the last one. Press tab, delete, 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 3, oh, control divide, 3 over 4, then the x minus control divide to get that fraction, 3 over 2. See? See how they're the same exact graph? They're on top of each other. That means that that's the one that's equivalent. Thank you. Subscribe.